Assalamualaikum, my name is Noremilia binti Napin. Core activities of KFC. KFC Corporation with headquarters in Louisville, Kentucky aim to make their products available to everyone. KFC is now offering the new product called boneless fried chicken and now offering home delivery. Colonel Sanders developed the concept of home meal replacement. Picture 1 shows the first KFC on Jalan Tunku Abdul Rahman opened in 1973. Values of KFC. Concentrate all effort on the restaurant, recognize and value each person, refresh training, be direct and honest, consistent, uphold the highest standard, commit to sustaining growth in sales and profit, work as a team. Goals of KFC. Create a business committed to excellence, deliver higher quality goods and service, dedicate for growth and continual progress, produce consistent financial results, are profitable to owner and staff. So this is the founder overview. He was born on 9 September 1890, started his chicken business at age of 65. His father died when he was 6 years old. He took care of his 3 years old brother and required him taking a lot of household, includes cooking. His first job at age 10 on a nearby farm. When he was 12, he worked on a farm when his mother remarried. He worked as a streetcar conductor at age 15 and private soldier in Cuba for 6 months at age 16. He worked as a train fireman and several jobs before he started cooking when he was 40 years old for visitors who stopped at his station in Corbin, Kentucky. He didn't have a restaurant back then. He fed customers at his own dining room table in his service station's living quarters. These are the examples of KFC's products. There are dessert, fried chicken, sauce, burger, drinks, and KFC breakfast. Information within KFC. The mobile app gathers customer preferences and order data. KFC may target promotion and offer to customers based on their past purchases and interest by analyzing this data. When customers browse KFC website, use their app, place an order online or offline, information and feedback from customers in every branch is also considered as data for the organization. Information produced by KFC. KFC marketing use both personal and non-personal marketing. Non-personal marketing use offline and online media including newspaper, magazine, radio, television, billboard, web pages, and social media. KFC's information system. The physical space where products are offered to clients is known as the point of sale. A computer-based cash register substitute is a point of sale software terminal. A point of sale software system is more advanced than conventional cash register and has the capacity to track customer orders, handle credit card transactions, and control inventory.
Next, there are many types of how information stored in physical and digital. First is paperwork. Paperwork means all the receipt and document that record in paper form and stored in storage area. Next is point of sale system. POS system is system in process order. It can help manage inventory and track sales for every branch of KFC. Lastly is cloud storage. Cloud storage gives many benefits to KFC because it provides flexible storage option for digital asset. Next, move on to how the information retrieved from storage. Information of KFC retrieved from physical storage means all the information need in any physical document, so more easy for employees to locate the file. The file can be searched by file name, categorized, or number. Next is digital database. As public know, KFC have many branch and many employees, so KFC may store information in digital database such as customer record and data of inventory. Next side is there are many ways of how information disseminate for intra and inter. For intra such as email, team meetings, intranet, and internet chat platform. But let me elaborate about email. From email, KFC employees can share update, reports, and important information within department. Next is intranet. Intranet means a private network in sharing information. The benefit of using this intranet is easy to communicating within organization without physical meeting and more secure. For inter, there are two, which is newsletter and cross-unit meetings. Because of KFC is worldwide business, newsletter also provide updates company-wide. Second is cross-unit meetings, which means predict meeting that KFC use to discuss and achieve goal in every department. Next slide is there are two types of how KFC preserve information, which is short-term and long-term. One example for short-term is immediately feedback. By providing immediately feedback, it can reinforce short-term memory, and with this feedback also can help KFC to correct behavior and assess in correcting if there have any error. Next, for long-term, one of example is documentation and manual. Documentation and manual is written material such as receipt book. Its mean with a regular update and revision is to make sure the information is up to date. Next slide is in KFC, information is utilized in various software to support decision making and improve operation. This is how KFC utilizes the information. First is operation management. The information is used to optimize operation within KFC restaurant. For example, the data that related to sale and customer preference help manager forecast demand. Next is marketing and customer engagement. As we know, the KFC marketing includes social media marketing, video marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. However, the company pays special attention to social media marketing and the most popular digital platform to highlight its price. And then the data from social media and customer survey help KFC understand customer needs. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Nadzirah, the beholder of metric number 2023126651. I will be covering the standard used to manage information, who involved, facilities available in managing information, the quantities of information, and the problem faced when managing the information. For the standard, business like KFC tend to use management information system to manage their information. These systems are used in accounting, production, and also formulating policies based on accurate and up-to-date data. Usually, business use MIS because they can provide prediction based on data obtained. For example, alteration in product prices can be useful for KFC to improve their development of product and service that cater to their customer demand. Then, here we have the parties involved in managing information. Focus on their production and marketing activities. Parties involved are such as their marketing teams, franchise and franchisee, and last but not least is their suppliers. Now, these three are closely related because KFC marketing strategy is mostly focused on building brand awareness while increasing their customer engagement. Their marketing team will work on spreading the words about their product, and when people start to recognize their brand, they need to expand their market to cater customers from different locations. And lastly, to preserve their goals, come the ability to improve the management of their supply chains, including the sourcing of material to the manufacturing and distribution of the product. Next is the facilities available in managing information. This is most likely focused on dissemination of information, where KFC offers the place to share knowledge through education related to hospitality and culinary arts. KFCH International College was established to provide training that prioritizing essential skills for careers in food and beverage industry. And then we have the quantity of information processed by KFC. As a business that is established worldwide, data and reports from their business activities are important to KFC for them to make a decision as well as improve their performance and services. Although the exact quantity of information processed by KFC is vague, but based on their annual reports, decision and improvements still can be made for the business. For example, alteration of prices can be made based on sales report and current trend or pattern of consumption by their customer. Now, when we talk about fast food industry, it is reasonable for us to relate it with the usage of technology. Because of the rapid growing of technology, KFC also are adapting with the new technology to improve their performance to cater the customer. Which is why the lack of technology reception within the organization is becoming a problem for KFC. Not only it will disrupt the data analysis process, but it will also may hinder the communication between the customer and the staff.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Hisham. So now I will explain to you about the solution for effective information management in the unit of the KFC. So firstly, the implementation of a customer relationship management or CRM, which is the system to track and manage the customer interaction, preference and feedback. Secondly, the implementation of business intelligence tools to generate reports, visualize key metrics and the analysis data from different sources. Thirdly, the implementation of continuous improvement by periodically reviewing and assessing information management system and procedures. And lastly, the encouragement of employees and stakeholders feedback to drive innovation and improve information management processes. Next, I will explain about the availability of organization data mining approach in the KFC. Firstly, they gathered the subscription data of client orders, preference and demographic through the various channels. Next, they analyze the data that helps them to understand the consumer's behavior, popular menus items and geographical differences. Next, they make the improvement in the menus, promotion and store operation, which have been made based on data analysis to better serve the customer needs. And lastly, they customize deals, discounts and advertising campaigns are created using customer data to target the specific customer segments. Next, I will explain about the construction of thesaurus to facilitate the subject access of the KFC. So firstly, they define the important subjects area for their business, such as menu items, ingredients, operations, customer service, marketing and human resource. They also accurate and analyze the existing database, reports and paper related to their subjects areas to identify the common used words, synonyms, acronyms and associates ideas. Next, they consult the subject matters, experts and also their stakeholders to ensure the comprehensive coverage of relevant phrase. Next, the metadata creation of the KFC. So firstly, they highlight menu choice, especially the famous finger-licking good fried chicken products. Next, they also create the connection and associations through the relevant links such as advertisement, social media profiles, official website and also relevant articles. And lastly, they articulate the KFC commitments to quality, customers, happiness and ongoing innovation. Next, the data warehousing facilities of the KFC. So firstly, KFC use a cloud computing and cloud-based data warehousing for data management. Next, KFC chose the AWS as its cloud platform and Snowflake as its SaaS-based storage and analytics system due to the scalability. Next, MicroStrategy was selected for the front-end reporting and also analytics working well with Snowflake. Last but not least, I will explain to you about the addressing system to locate the actual resource of the KFC. So firstly, they implement a digital resource management system to track and organize the resources efficiently. Next, they utilize the RFID technology to track the position and movement of the resource by attaching the RFID tags. And thirdly, they introduce a mobile application for staff to access the resource management system, search for resource, view availability, and locate them on the KFC premise. And lastly, they implement a barcode or QR code system to label resource for easily identification and tracking. I think that's all for me and our team. Thank you very much.